Okay, we got some more eBay junk here. It's been sitting around for about 3 months now because I haven't been doing much. So let's see what we got here in these big boxes. No weight. Must have something like a chain guard in there or something stupid that's big and light. It's definitely not a fork feed. Ooh, nice. It's an oil line. Looks like a 45 oil feed line, but it's not. They never ran a banjo on a 45 that I know of. I think this is supposed to fit something like a UL or something, but I don't know. It's way, way on the big side. But it's NOS. It's brand new original Harley. So it's got a banjo. Banjo they only used back in the 30s. So late 30s they used banjos. It's got a hard line down here. Would go into a pump. Yeah. I'm guessing this goes up on top of the oil tank as a return line and off the pump down below. I'm guessing that's probably what this is, but I'm not sure. It's got some kind of a ground wire that hooks to it too, it looks like. So there you go. It's a steel tube. Looks like all the CAD plating is pretty much evaporated from just age. You can tell it's never been used. It doesn't have any marks on it. So, all right. Well, I'll have to figure out what that is. Don't know. Something I bought. Is that all was in here? That is the only thing that's in that box. One line. All right. There you go.